Hi guys, Miss S here. Another thing you can do to help your family out during this time is maybe help do a load of laundry. I have laundry here of sheets and towels and things like that that my family needs cleaned. So I'm going to show you how to do a load of laundry. First thing you're going to need is some soap. I have some soap here, and what it says is to fill this container to line number 2 for a medium load. Now I'm not going to just fill this washer halfway, I'm going to fill it all the way. So I'm going to use what, probably like up to number 4. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 on this little cup. But I'm going to use number 4 because I think we need a lot of soap for a full load. Read the container of soap that you're using. It will tell you how much soap to use. And if you're not sure, you can ask someone for help. All right, so I'm going to fill it up to number 4. I think you can hear my sump pump working. It's raining outside, so the sump pump is working to keep my basement dry. All right, so I filled my soap. The other thing we need to look at is what kind of laundry am I doing and how big is the load? So I'm doing towels and such. So I'm going to say hot. I'm going to leave it on large because I do have a large load of laundry to wash. And then I'm going to put it on heavy duty. Ask someone you live with for help with this part because every washing machine is different and everything is soap is different. So what I do for my wash is I dump the soap in, then I rinse my soap cup out. That's just what I like to do because then I take the clean soap cup and I put it up there. Now when you load a washing machine, you want to put things in around the agitator. That's the thing in the middle that will swish back and forth and wash the clothes. So you just take the towels, put those in. I have a pillowcase. Here's a sheet. Again, just around that thing in the middle. More towels. I have lots of towels to wash today. Lots of towels from the kitchen, from the bathroom, another pillowcase. I hope you guys are washing your hands a lot while we're home during this time. And one more pillow, one more pillowcase, or one more towel. Okay, and it's almost full to the top. So I go ahead and I close the machine and it will wash and I'll be back to show you what's next. Okay, so the clothes have washed, the washer has stopped. So this is what we need to do next. You open the washer, you open the dryer. Then I usually put my dryer sheet in first so that I don't forget. Then I take the stuff from the washer and I move it to the dryer. Grab it all. Now this is a pretty big load of laundry. So talk with whoever is at your house that could help you decide, but sometimes when the load of laundry is that big, I do put in a second dryer sheet. The other thing you need to do when you are doing your laundry is you need to clean out what's called the lint trap. So that's this thing here, and you can just rub it usually and it comes off. So you get all the lint. This is from the load that was dried before this. It's all the leftover fuzz. And you want to just put that in your garbage can. I have a garbage can right there. Then it's nice and clean. Put it back in. I have it set for high because it's towels and things that need to have a lot of heat to dry. So then you push the start button and it starts drying. And I will be back to show you how to then fold your towels and such. Okay, so first I washed the laundry, then I dried the laundry. And we're gonna check to see if it's dry so that I can fold the laundry. It is, it's dry. So I'm gonna take out, this is the way I like to do it. You find what works for you, but I'm going to take out a few of the items that are nice and dry. And then I'm going to start the dryer again just to keep them going. So what I like to do when I fold my laundry is I go ahead and I close my washing machine so that I have this whole area to fold stuff on. Now when you fold a towel, the way I like to fold a towel is I hold the corners and I fold it in half. Then I fold it in half again. And then I lay it down and I fold it once, twice. And then I have a nice neat little bundle. So that's a towel, like a bath towel that you would dry your body with. Another kind of towel would be like a hand towel. People used to dry their hands by the sink. So kind of the same but different. So first I take the corners, I fold it in half. Then instead of folding it in half this way with these towels, I grab the ends and I fold them together, and it's just a nice neat little hand towel. Another thing you can fold is pillowcases. The way I like to fold pillowcases is I take the corners on the end where you don't put the pillow in. So here's the end the pillow goes in. Grab the other corners and I just kind of throw it and I hold it and I make sure it's about even. And then I do that again, fold it in half, and then I fold it in half that way. That is a pillowcase. So, hand towel, hold the corners, put them together, grab the ends, put them together. And that's a dish towel for the kitchen. Let's look at a towel, a bath towel again. Hold the corners, fold the corners together, fold it again, then I lay it down and I fold it about a third of the way, and then I fold it the rest. 2 towels done. Now let's get a sheet out because sheets are a little bit different. They are much bigger. So with a big sheet, I usually leave the dryer open so that the sheet doesn't lay on the floor. I find the corners. So there's a corner, and then I go all the way to the opposite end and find the other corner, and I put them together. But because it's so big, I can't just whip it around like I do a towel. So I put my hand in there, and I get it folded nice and neat. Now what I do is I take it in my other hand and I go find the other corners and I kind of meet it up as I go, using my other hand to help me out. The other thing you could do is maybe you have a brother or a sister, you could ask for help and you guys could all grab a corner and then you could figure out how to make them meet. Okay. So now I've got these corners. I bring them together. I didn't learn how to fold sheets till I was older, so this might be too much of a job. And if it is, just ask for help. I'm sure the people you live with will be happy that you are trying to help out. So now I have the sheet in like four squares. You just keep putting it in half. Now put it in half that way. And then now it gets to the point where I can lay it down and make it nice and neat. And ta-da. there is a sheet. All right, so first you wash, then you dry, then you fold, and then you put them away where they belong. I hope you learned how to do laundry. Yeah. All right. Hang in there and hope to see you soon.